This will be a speed test between the Huawei P30 Pro versus the Xiaomi Mi 9. Now the P30 Pro, this one has the Kirin 980 with 6 gigs of RAM. Xiaomi Mi 9 has the Snapdragon 855, also 6 gigs of RAM. Comparing these two real quick, have that black chrome look on both, very similar, and also the camera array on both phones, very similar setup here. So let me know in the comments below which phone you think looks better. Looking forward to this test, cannot wait to see the outcome. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Very close on a boot up. I think I'm gonna call that one a draw. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. P30, messages, dead heat, the camera. We'll do it like this, and let's go. Give that to the P30. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both, and leave that running in the background. The Xiaomi browser and the Huawei browser. Go. We'll do search for GSM Arena. Go. And we'll click on this. Go. And ooh, I think that was the P30 Pro. This ad came up first. We'll go to the bottom and we'll go to the desktop version. And a mistouch on the left. So we'll just move forward with the test and pinch to zoom on the Mi 9, nice and smooth, and do the same thing on the P30 Pro. I've noticed the pinch to zoom here initially is kind of slow, but once you keep doing it, it's nice and smooth. And we'll do it at the same time. For comparison, gotta say I think the P30 is a little bit smoother on this one. So you can see a little bit of a stutter here on the Mi 9 for some reason. Kind of weird. Whereas right here, nice and smooth. Calculator on both. Play Store. Pretty much the same. We'll go ahead and click on, let's see, I don't see my favorite TikTok. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on any two apps. Leave it there. Amazon shopping. Identical. We'll click on the, let's see, we'll click on the deal of the day. eBay. Identical. Click on this flashlight. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. I think the P30 is ahead. Oh! Dead even. Tap to begin. Dead heat. Call that one a draw. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. Oh man. I'm gonna let this run. See which one is faster. Give the win to the Mi 9. There you go. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. I think the P30 is ahead. Oh, no it's not. Oh, I'm gonna call this one a draw. Asphalt 9. Which one will come out on top? Oh, and give the win to the P30 on this. We'll tap play once. PUBG. Oh, the Mi 9's ahead. Mi 9 out in front. Will the P30 catch up? Loading on the Mi 9, now loading on the P30. Oh, so close. Which one? Oh, and give the win to the Xiaomi on this. Photoshop Express. I have the same 8K image on both phones. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this summer filter here. Since summer is pretty close, I'm gonna jack this up all the way. Click on share right here, and so you can see 5460 by 8192 pixels. I'm gonna save it to the gallery and see which phone will do this faster. And let's go. And give the win to the Mi 9 on this. Twitter. Identical Instagram. P30. Snapchat. Pretty much the same, maybe the P30. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Now both phones have 6 gigs of RAM, so we'll see which one has the better RAM management. Go through these apps again, and let's just see what happens. Looking good so far on both. PUBG, good to go. Asphalt 9. Oh, what's happening to the P30? Looks like a reload. Yup, reload on the left. Angry Birds 2. Oh, reload again on the left. Temple Run 2. Oh, now we have a reload on the right. Huh, interesting. Mario Run. And another reload on the right. Okay, so I think that's 2 reloads on both, respectively. eBay. A little bit faster on the left. Amazon. And faster on the left. Play Store. Same place. Calculator. Same place. The browsers. And a little bit faster on the P30, as you can see. Clock on both phones. Both still running the stopwatch. The camera. There you go. Messages. Pretty much the same, maybe the P30. And the phone app, P30, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Huawei fan? Do you like Huawei phones? Are you rocking this brand new Huawei P30 or P30 Pro? Do you have the Mate 20 from last year? Do you have the Honor View 20? Are you rocking the Huawei Mate X? Or are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you like Xiaomi phones? Do you have the Mi 9, the Mi 8 from last year? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.